Okay, so we've got for you today the unboxing of a Montblanc pen. This is the Duke of Milan limited edition, 4810. Okay, so in the box you'll find the pen case, and pamphlets with care instructions, I guess. Generic care instructions, details of the nibs, and then a booklet specifically about the pen and its inspirations, I guess. A few details, yeah, so inspiration of the pen's details comes from the coin and from one of the Duke of Milan's buildings architected by Leonardo da Vinci. Various elements at the top there replicated in the pen cap and in the pen bottom, and various other details of the pen. A lot of reference to Leonardo da Vinci, though he's got his own limited edition pen, and then of course the international warranty. So unlike some previous Montblanc booklets, there's not much detail in this book about the manufacturing of the pen or the details of the pen or the various other versions of the pen, which is usually nice to have so you sort of see what else is out there. But here's only the fountain pen. So this is the box. It's a solid wood box, looks like, with an inscription of the details of the pen. So this is, what is this? What does it say? Yeah, once again, the Duke of Milan, limited edition, and the number. Okay, so pen box is simply an interference fit. Nothing else. No magnets, just the friction between the two halves. And no clasp to keep it open. So when you buy a pen from Montblanc, it's customary that the salespeople will unbox the pen for you in the store so you can verify the contents. And this time they offered to remove this protective sheath. I asked them to leave it on this time so we could sort of see what it's like to get a pen straight out of the box. So this protective sheath is to protect it from oxygen so the silver doesn't tarnish. This pen is unusual for two different reasons. Unlike most Montblanc pens, the barrel is not precious resin, but it's metal with, I think, an enamel coating, and the fittings are all silver, except for the pen clip that is probably platinum coated. So it needs to be protected while it's in shipping to avoid tarnishing. I saw this pen first about a few years ago. I think it's been out since 2009 or 2011. I saw it in an airport in Istanbul, and somebody had been very careless with it. They had to sell it on discount because somebody took this, the clasp, the pen clip, and forced it along the barrel, leaving a huge scratch along the enamel. So it makes me wonder if the finish of this particular pen will last well enough. So it is prone to damage by the clip itself. So since I saw it in that Montblanc airport, the idea of getting it at a discount, of course, made it very attractive, but it was absolutely ruined by that huge gouge. So here we've got a new one. So let's see. There you go. First breath. Got no gloves, so here it goes. What does it feel like? Wow, it feels. Obviously, it feels heavy because it's solid metal, and solid silver. Silver fittings. Very good feel in the hand. Quite heavy. considerably heavier than most Montblanc pens. It definitely has a presence. Let's see, how does it go? The fittings feel very well made. Fits together absolutely perfectly. Really quite nice. Quite like that. Let's see. So this is a piston-filled pen. So you unscrew the back and then screw it back down in an inkwell. Let's see. So we'll fill it the first time. If we can get it open. There we go. So you unscrew the cap, or unscrew the end, and then dip it into the inkwell. Screw the cap back down. I'll screw the end back down, and there you go. Let's see, a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there we go. It's filled. So let's see, how does it write? Simply on the mobile box. Oops. That's going to be expected. It'll be fine. All these Montblanc nibs are very similar. So once you've used one, I think you've used enough of them. Let's see if we can see the detail of the engraving on the tip. Now there's some ink on it. There we go. Okay, so let's see. The limited edition engraving is on the bottom. Let's see, you may not be able to see it very well. There it is on the bottom here. So 4810, that's about 4,000. Okay, so now I've got it filled. Let's give it a home. We've got here just a standard case. Standard Montblanc pen case. Wrapped several times, of course. And stuff not too bad. Let's see. Slightly snug, but otherwise okay. And there we have it. Montblanc's Duke of Milan limited edition, unboxed and housed. It is an absolutely magnificent pen. The finish is flawless. So time will tell how it will oxidize, develop a patina, but looks very promising.